looks like you can fit 4 tires and 4 brand new wheels in a Volt. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Heartland Rebuilds. We're back in the shop. Haven't been here for a while. So we got new project car. This is a 2017 Chevy Volt. I got most of it taken care of back on the road, but I got to put some new wheels and tires on it. So take a look. This is the damage, kind of pounded back as best as I can for now until I can find a fender. However, the wheels are, they're pretty junk. This is a junkyard wheel, just so I can get back on the road. One of the other severely curb rashed wheels. I don't know what the previous owners were doing, but apparently they didn't really know how to parallel park or something. I don't know. So this one isn't nearly as bad, but it needs to be replaced as well. So we're like, hey, what are you gonna do? I know. Let's put some new tires and wheels on it. So those are my new tires. And if you think you can fit 4 wheels and tires into a Volt, you can. The wheels we're going to be putting on this Chevy Volt are from a 2018 Chevy Cruze. I pulled the center caps off the wheels I got, and I'm hoping they're going to be close enough match. Otherwise I'll get center caps later. So those are 17-inch wheels, 17 by 7s I think. They look close to the factory style Volt Premier wheels, but they're a little bit nicer. The kind of a 5-spoke double. The tires are going to be Continental Purecontact LS series 215 and 5017s. This was a nice surprise. Pulled this wheel out of the box and it looks like it got into a fight with some chunk of steel or something. So I just had to take a file and take off these giant chunks of metal that were sticking out. It would actually cut the tire, and see, there's still some right there I got to take off. Yeah, that's not going to seal. Thanks. You know, I'm starting to think I got some blemished wheels here that were sold as new, because these are definitely kind of beat up. I don't know how this would have happened in shipping, because there's literally nothing that could have touched them like that. So I was putting this valve stem in and just pulling on it, trying to get it through, and it's not all the way in yet. And the head just snapped completely off. So I need to get a service kit, and then which I don't have, and then order a new one of these valve stems so I can put the tire pressure sensor in. This is damaged wheel 3 of 4, and that also needs a file. I got nothing because the boxes aren't damaged. All this had to have been done prior to shipping. I got all the wheels and tires mounted and balanced, installed, torqued down. It looks so much better. Also, I found out what my clunking sound was coming from is the strut on this side is broken internally, bouncing around. Not the best idea to be driving around on it. And to replace it, this upper plastic cowl piece has to be unbolted and removed just so you can get to the bolts on the top of the strut, because everything's backwards so far. Placing the strut on the passenger side here, to get to that, you have to take off the cowl section here. To get the cowl section off, there's a few of these little clips up in the front you got to remove, and you have to be really careful not to shatter the windshield prying on it. I don't know who would do that, but that'd be pretty stupid. And to get the wiper arm off, just take the cap off. There's a nut, it's a 15mm. That comes off, and you just pull up really hard and wiggle it. Do not pry down to try to pry it up. It doesn't work, and you might crack the windshield. I don't know who would do that, but that's a horrible idea. Now we can get to the strut, and that would be a 13mm deep. Got the strut out here, a couple bolts. I'm going to work there and take the sway bar end link off, move the ABS sensor out of the way. Now it's trying to get the spring compressed so it doesn't, shoot us in the face. And then swap over this stud onto the new upper strut mount. Finally got the strut out and replaced. This one is extremely bad. You can tell because it does this crap, and it's completely blown, and then you just wiggle it, and it's broken internally. Super useful for doing non-strut type things. So the new one is in, and this one is going to go in the trash, and that's it.